I have asked AI to generate a crazy recipe, and here's what we got. Crazy good barbecue pork pizza with pineapple. So let's cook and rate it. There is no thumbs up because of pineapple on a pizza, but it wasn't that bad. 7 out of 10.